I'm the new 3 and I change. White Iverson.
Hey everyone, it's Marissa, and today I have a very exciting video. If you guys couldn't tell by the title, hopefully you can tell by my freaking eyeball. We are going to be doing a get ready with me playing with colored contacts. I have in these like blue, they have like green and then a blue ring around them. So keep on watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Also, if you guys are new here, hi, my name is Marissa. I do new videos on makeup, hair, fashion, random stuff, music, everything. So please hit the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed already. It's right down there. It's free and we upload twice a week, so go hit it. Hit the bell next to it. Thanks. Also, all my social media links are down below. Check a girl out. Okay, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's just freaking get into it. I just feel like exotic or something. Yeah, we're just gonna like beat my face and I'm so excited to see these with makeup on. Always wanted like green or blue eyes so bad. So yeah, we're gonna start with my eyebrows. Dude, I look so weird. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do some kind of like a red orange tone because that makes like green and blues pop, because it's like contrasting color as if they don't pop enough. Also, if I didn't say this, these are from TTDI, just like an online website. But yeah, so I will be right back. I'm gonna finish my eyebrows. I'm just using my ABH dip brow, I can't talk, and I have a video all on how I do this, so I will link it down below and I will be right back. Okay, so eyebrows are on. I normally take just a little bit of concealer under my eyes before I put on any foundation, literally extra coverage, and I'm using a sample. I've been kind of like sampling. As you guys know, I work at Ulta, so I can get like samples all the time from there. So this is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. And you guys know I like to spray rose water or any kind of hydrating water on my sponge. Yeah, it's a little bit not my shade, but that's okay. Like, I just wanted to naturally be born with these eyes. It just makes me want to do like Halloween makeup with like crazy contacts. Yeah, foundation definitely not my shade. We'll go in with some concealer. I literally just keep looking at myself and I just like, obviously I know it's me, but I'm just like, who is that? Who is she? Like, I've just always wished that I had blue eyes. Because my mom has blue eyes, so like there was a chance, you know, slim, but there was a chance that I could have gotten it and I didn't. But it's still in there in me somewhere, so maybe one day I'll have a kid and they will have blue eyes. Anyone that's ever seen Grey's Anatomy, Jackson Avery has these eyeballs. Like, I feel like these contacts are like Jackson Avery contacts. Don't mind my nails, they're hella ratch. I need to go get them done. I've been like this for a week and they're driving me literally insane. Also, another thing I wanted to mention, obviously I'm not a doctor. These contacts are not meant to be in your eyes for that long. They never say that on the website, but I've worn contacts for a really long time. Really my whole life. Like, I'm so blind. I know that these are not. I don't know what kind of precautions they have to go through to be able to sell contacts online, but they're not from your doctor. So if you are somebody that plans on getting these, they're for play. They're not for hour wear and they're not to sleep in. They don't seem to irritate my eyes at all because I just want you guys to be safe and smart. Next, we're going to bake my face a little. I really like this foundation. I'm mad that I got it in the wrong shade. We're gonna contour. Guys, I literally can't stop looking at myself. Like, I need to stop. I just can't wait to put some lashes on and I'm just so excited to see what it will look like. Snatch this nose. Almost out of powder I've been using to bake my face, and I really like this powder because it is like waterproof and sweatproof and stuff, but I also kind of want something a little bit less drying. Like, this is really drying if you had oily skin, so perfect, but when I bake under my eyes with it, it seems to give me like really dry like looking under eyes. Now onto the eyes, the fun part. So I'm going back to my oldie but a goodie, my Morphe 350. Don't mind, she is freaking a mess, and I'm gonna go in with some of these like vibrant shades over here. So I'm gonna go in with these two shades over here, these like neutral shades. Just kind of set my eye first. I feel like when I don't set my eyes, I can't blend as well. Alright, so we're gonna start off with this kind of like creamsicle looking orange right here. Actually, have you guys zoomed in? Look at my eyes now. I'm just putting that in the crease. Hopefully this way you can see like the green and then the blue outline a little better. Alright, and then I'm gonna go in, let's go in with this orange right here. So you can see it's literally popping with that color. Wow, I'm so here for it. I just keep thinking like, I really hope I get a bomb selfie. And then we're gonna take this shade right here. This one's like super orange. This one's more of like a red orange, which is what I want. So I'm gonna take that shade. This is so summery. Now that we have all that color on there, I'm going to go down to more of like a rustic red color and kind of put that in the outer crease just to give us some depth. Oh my god, I'm so here for it. I'm just gonna shape up the ends of them. Now I'm gonna put, I think we'll do like a gold shimmery something. I'm gonna take flat shader brush and I'm just going to mix. I'm going to take my Pure Visionary palette. This is one of my favorites when I'm doing like bold shimmery looks. Gold and this color over here is cream color. Trying to make like a lighter gold basically. And then of course I'm going to spray it with some rose water spray. You can use like Fix Plus, anything like that, just to make it a little bit more vibrant. I like to use this because I don't like using glitter that much. I'm just going on that inner half of my eye. Oh my god, I'm so here for it. I'm gonna take these out and put my regular contacts in. It's gonna look like a completely different look. And then I'll go back in with my blending brush and just blend this in a little bit. It looks like it did a good job of just kind of naturally blending though. Yeah, so I didn't do anything too crazy. I just wanted to add some of that color in there. But first I'm gonna put some of my Maybelline gel eyeliner on before we add any lashes. Just a regular line that came on a little thicker than I wanted, but that's okay. Okay, so I'm about to go put on some lashes. I'm gonna do it off camera because that's what I always do because I can't talk and put them on. But I'm gonna be using the Makeup Shack lashes and these are in Dragon Eye actually. So I love Salt, if you guys didn't know, on like Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, all of it. But she always used to wear these. I don't know if she still does, and I got them. She like posted on, I think it was Twitter. She posted on Twitter one time that these were the lashes that she always wore, and I literally got them so quick, like, and then they sold out. So I like have not worn them since. I got these like so long ago, and I've been saving them to wear, and I was like, why do I still have these? Like, I need to just wear them. So we're gonna give them a try. Hopefully I like them. I said I've never tried them. I've actually never worn the Makeup Shack's eyelashes, so yeah, let's give it a try. BRB. First, I just want to say I freaking love these lashes. Two, I want to say should have been born with blue eyes or green eyes, whatever freaking color this is. Let's finish the look because it's all coming together and I'm starting to fall in love too much. So first, let's wipe off this bake. I'm just so here for this whole look. I'm gonna put on some blush. This stuff smells so good. I always say that, like, I've had this for like a freaking year and I still like just get shocked at how good it smells. I don't know how. And then we'll highlight it up. I'm gonna highlight with gold because it's just freaking summer. I didn't realize how summery this looks. Like, this looks so summery. I'm gonna do some eyeliner. This is my Makeup Forever black eyeliner, and I'm just going to put a little bit on my waterline and then just a little bit on the corner, and then we're gonna smoke it out with some eyeshadow. Okay, and I'm gonna go in with that Pop and Orange Red color. We're just gonna start smoking out under my waterline. Like, I don't even want to take these out. It's a freaking look. Put a little bit of mascara on. We'll just put a tiny bit on the top to blend this. Fudge. I really want to go get my lips redone. So let me know if you guys want like a vlog when I go do that or not. It's a little bit more dramatic than I wanted, but that's okay. It's okay. We're gonna go in with gloss. Okay guys, and this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me play around with contacts. I'm sorry if I keep looking at myself. I literally just keep like, every time I look at myself I'm like, I look so strange and I love it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys aren't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. It's right down below. It's free and I post new videos every Monday and Thursday. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.